Hello, we studied previously the similarity, and we understood that we have to find two conditions together to be able to say that the two polygons are similar. The first one, the corresponding angles are equal in measure, and the second one, the corresponding sides are proportional. We have to find the two conditions together to be able to say that the two polygons are similar. Let's take an example about what we studied about similarity. In the opposite figure, the polygon ABCD, this polygon, is similar to the polygon XYZL. Find the measures and lengths of unknown elements in the two polygons. He told me in the question, or he gives me an information that the two polygons are similar, which means that the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. Since polygon ABCD is similar to the polygon XYZL, so we know that the corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angles here? We know that when we write the similarity, we know that we write it in the same order. So we know that angle A corresponds to angle X. So measure of angle A equals to measure of angle X. And measure of angle B equals to measure of angle Y. And measure of angle C equals to measure of angle Z. The last one, measure of angle D equals measure of angle L. Okay, angle A corresponds to angle X and angle A equals 70 degrees, so angle X also equals 70 degrees. Angle B corresponds to angle Y, so angle Y equals 65 degrees, therefore angle B equals 65 also. And angle C corresponds to angle Z. Angle C equals 135 degrees. Therefore, angle Z equals also 135 degrees. Angle D corresponds to angle L. Angle D and angle L, both of them are missing, so we can get just only one of them. We know that this polygon is a quadrilateral polygon. What's meaning with quadrilateral polygon? It has four sides. So in this case, the sum of all angles of the quadrilateral polygon equals 360 degrees. Therefore, we can get measure of angle D or measure of angle L. So we can get measure of angle D equals 360 degrees minus 70 degrees minus 65 degrees minus 135 degrees is 90 degrees. So angle D 90 degrees is 90 degrees. And angle D corresponds to angle L, so both of them are equal to 90 degrees. Now we get the missing angles, which we want, angle Z, angle L, and angle B. These were the missing angles. Now we want to get the missing sides. In this case, we have to write the sides as a proportion. What is meaning with proportional? It means we have to write the corresponding sides as a ratio, and all these ratios must be equal. How can we get the corresponding side? To get the corresponding sides, as we said previously, we write the similarity in the same order. So AB corresponds to XY, this side corresponds to this side, so we can write AB over XY, and BC corresponds to YZ, so we can write BC over YZ. CD, this side corresponds to ZL, so we can write it as a ratio, CD over ZL. The last one, it will be AD and XL. AD over corresponds to XL over XL. All these ratios must be equal. What's meaning with proportional equal ratios? We will replace the side by its length if we have a length. If we haven't, we will keep it as it is. So AB, where is AB? It's missing, so we'll keep it as it is, AB over XY equals 3 centimeters, and BC 2.1, ZY 1.4, and CD, it's missing, so we write it as it is, ZL 1.8. The last one, AD equals 3 centimeters, and XL it's missing, so we write it as it is. Now, the next step, we have a complete ratio. All these ratios must to be equal, so all of these ratios must to be equal. We can simplify this ratio to be 1 3 over 2. We can write this ratio as 3 over 2. All of these ratios must to be equal, so all of them must to be equal to 3 over 2, which is 1.5. To get the missing side from this ratio, we will take each time the missing ratio by and make it equal to the complete ratio, which means that to get the side AB, we will take AB over 3 must be equal to 3 over 2. We will multiply. How can we get the missing side? We will use cross multiplication as we studied previously. So AB equals 3 times 3 over 2, which is 4.5 centimeters. So AB equals 4.5 centimeters. We can replace AB by 4.5 centimeters. Okay, how can we get CD? We will make CD over 1.8 must to be equal 3 over 2, and also we will use cross multiplication. So CD equals 3 times 1.8 over 2, which is equal 2.7 centimeters. We can replace this one by 2.7. The last one, 3 over XL, we will write it 3 over XL equals 3 over 2. So we'll use also cross multiplication. So XL equals 2 times 3 over 3, which is equal to 2 centimeters. We can replace XL by 2 centimeters. What's meaning with proportional? It means equal ratio. If we put it on the calculator, it will equal 1.5, and this one also equals 1.5, and this one 1.5, 1.5. All ratios equals 1.5. That's what is the proportional means. All ratios are equal.